The German verb mögen is a modal verb that can be used to express a variety of meanings, including to like or enjoy something, to be fond of or to appreciate something, to approve of or to be satisfied with something, to be willing or inclined to do something. The English translation of mögen depends on the specific context in which it is used. For example, ich mag Schokolade, I like chocolate, can be translated as I like chocolate or I enjoy chocolate. Examples of using mögen: Ich mag Schokolade, I like chocolate. Magst du Musik? Do you like music? Mag sie, he likes her. Wir mögen Fußball, we like soccer. Mögt ihr Eis? Do you like ice cream? Other uses of mögen: approval or satisfaction mögt can also be used to express approval or satisfaction with something. For example, ich mag, dass du das getan hast. I approve of what you did. Willingness or inclination mögen can also be used to express willingness or inclination to do something. For example, ich mag nicht, dass du das tust. I'm not willing to do that.